Okay, so the last package I wanted to discuss is laravel pennant, which is a relatively new package. And this package is also great, by the way. I think every package that Laravel builds, Laravel team builds, is super awesome. I don't think there exists an ecosystem like that in any programming language besides PHP. And I come from Java background. I used Java Go, Haskell, and C# in the past, and I don't think that any ecosystem like Laravel exists, because you have so many pre-built stuff that after you work with that and you go to a different programming language, you just don't want to code it because it's already built. And some teams, if the team is big enough or they have a lot of polyglot developers, can do that. They can use some functionality for the front end, for the front facing application, for example, not the front end, not the JavaScript parts, I mean the public facing application. They can use Laravel, and they can use a microservice in Go or Rust or Elixir or Haskell or whatever programming language they want. But that's the beauty of it, of Polyglot. So what is Laravel Pennant? Basically, Laravel Pennant is a feature flag package. So if you don't know what that means that you can turn on and off some features. You can define features. For example, what's a feature? It's a name with a function or functionality behind that. Okay? Just a little correction. This is the resolver of that feature. This is not the functionality defined, but you define the feature name and how it resolves compared to the user, and then you can use it. And you can use it in many ways. By the way, you have the checks here, how to check if a certain user can bypass that feature check, and what can you do with that. By the way, there are a lot of stuff you can do with that. For example, if you want to toggle features that that answer specific regional laws, like for GDPR sake, which is the European law, the European data something, I don't remember. If you want to do A/B split tests, if you want to segmentation test, if you want to do performance test, for example, you toggle a feature for only a subset of users and you'll see how it impacts your servers. If you want to do full life cycle of a feature test, so you only give some part of that feature to some part of your users, and you test on those users how they respond to that feature. You can do gradual rollouts to new features. You can do lots of stuff with that, and I think they did a wonderful job on that package, since it's pretty easy to define a feature, to do whatever you want, and to continue and improve and add new features, and those features are, by the way, are cached, so it will be super fast to resolve and to check if the feature is active for a specific user, segment of users, or by roles or permissions. So I think that's everything, by the way, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed my explanation, and I hope I help you to clarify what the difference between the different starter kits, and what Sanctum, Fortify, Passport is, and what is Laravel Pennant. I know it can be overwhelming, especially for new users. If you come to Laravel website, you might be shocked if you click on the ecosystem here, your eyes might fall down from all this, but I think I worked with 95% of the packages here over the years, and they are all super. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this course, this mini course.